I think our Goan people are, most of them, they knows the importance, they knows the benefit of this service. But some people try to take undue advantage of creating this issue with our taxi owners, taxi drivers. Those are, these people are from our Goan only, our Goan brother. I want to request them, this particular thing, we are completing in coming August 1 year. The numbers what you have started with just 55. If you see today, it reaches to more than 1,500. All are Goan. No one is outsider. That's why I'm just repeating and appealing, just requesting my all brothers who are in this business to help us to promote tourist industries. Simultaneously, one or two those by which their bad act, they are spoiling the name of Goa, because of which many tourists, they are afraid to come to Goa. I would like to tell my brothers, one scheme is under consideration. We have already discussed, our Honorable Chief Minister discussed the benefits by which we are going to give through government by way of subsidies. Even those my brothers are unemployed, for them there is very good scheme we have framed to give them financial assistance to purchase any vehicle with subsidized rates. Not only that, even some subsidies on insurance payment, even on health, not only the driver or owner, but even for their family.